Alright, hi everyone, welcome to Trade Your Way. Right, let's take a look at this FTSE 100, the UK 100, the stock market indice that we are currently short on. We took the entry, pretty much a sniper entry. We only had a 20 pip stop loss, but we got in and it didn't really give us any drawdown at all, so it was pretty decent. Got in at around 5875 roughly. Yeah, they actually called this in a group, but called it at around 58. I think it was 5865 by the time we called it and posted it in our VIP. But still, currently floating at around 5%. Currently just over 50% up. Sorry, 5% up and just over 50 pips up comfortably. If you're risking 2% of your capital. So yeah, pretty decent. Even if you're only risking 1%, you should be sitting at around 3% or so, 2-3% easily. Depends if you've taken partial profits or not. So target is a 50%, so 5637.9. So our T2 is 5650, which is just above all of this, which previous structure as well. I wanted to bring your attention to all of this. A really nice indice. It's been quite under pressure whilst you've seen American markets rallying and doing good moves up. The FTSE's just struggled because of Brexit weighing heavily on the proceedings. They've had 4 years and they've not managed to do anything with it at the minute. So previous structure, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiple points of contact. Nice 50% retrace. Let me drill down and show you the head and shoulders setup. So this is what we got in on. So we looked at the 1 hour, and basically we had the whole retracement. I said, okay, there's a neckline here, and there's the head, and there's the left shoulder, right shoulder. Not the neatest, not the best, but I thought, well, that'll do. That'll do. Don't need many confluences or many reasons to get in, and pretty much. It's weird how we've got a slight discrepancy with the pricing being slightly out of sync, because the high that I've got officially from my feeds, data feed, is at around 58995, I believe. If I just show you that on my charts here, look, 58. The high is 5895. And that is pretty much on that candle right there, on that 1 hour candle. We wait for it to close at lunchtime, and we got in here. So as soon as it closed, we got in at around 5875 area with the stops just above, and said, well, you know what, that's all we need. And that's actually a head and shoulders forming potentially, and looking for this move down, and move down to 5820 area for our first target, which gives us a nice risk to reward ratio just to retest and complete the N shape that we always look for. That's the 1 hour, and this is the 4 hour. You can see that we've got this bearish price action. So yesterday it was bullish, and we were looking to see if it was going to go up. If it got up, we would have been looking to go back up, take some longs here above the pivot and take it back up to test 6,000. Maybe come up to the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. Maybe take some profits around around the 50 EMA or a double top or something, but it didn't do any of that. Instead, cold over, and we said if it closes with the hour, then we're going to take a speculative short here, still bearish, and we're going to go with it, and that's what we did. And so it was a really nice trade. Just show you what it looks like. That's what we've got currently running, and we now move our stop loss to break even. Well, move our stop loss to break even. 1 second, we'll do all that, but just want to highlight really what we're looking at. So yeah, that's our trade, and that's what we're looking for. Downside, further downside, let it curl over. We've got a lot of support here. That's why I've taken some profit. So hopefully everyone who's taking this short has made some money and taken some profit off the table, and well done if you've done that. And yeah, that's the trade. Just wanted to bring your attention to it and show you further downside potential and what we're looking for regarding this brilliant trade and good reward.